Hey Joy Seekers, welcome back to the channel. You are watching Joyful Living JA Edition. I'm your host, Barbara J. Alright, so let's kick this off. Today we are at the paint shop. Still working on repairs around the house on some things that the hurricane had some damage. This week our project is going to be the ceiling bed of our gazebo. So we're going to reseal the ceiling bed. So I'm here at the paint shop getting some material to work on that recovery project, right? Every week there is another thing, but we're getting things accomplished little at a time. So later I'll check back in with you guys, and next week, throughout the week, you'll see the progress of that small project that we're going to be working on. To my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing and becoming a part of our community of Joy Seekers, where we intentionally seek out and embrace the simple things in life that brings us joy. So I will check back with you later. Supplies. As I told you earlier, we're going to be working on a new project this week, so we just popped into town to pick up paint and all the other things that we'll need to do our DIY project. Alright, so this is what's happening downtown Lucy this morning. Market folks are out at the market, fish vendor out. And today's Saturday, so it's a busy shopping day for most people, but it's still early, so not as crowded as it usually is later on in the morning. All right, sit back, relax, and continue to enjoy the ride. You know I'll take you with you wherever I go. So we're at the road. To my, I don't know if I could call you guys OG because the channel is so new, but to my older subscribers, those of you who joined the channel a month or two ago, wagwan, welcome back. Thank you for your support. And I know there are a lot of people who watch the videos and forget to either like, comment, or share. I do remind you and encourage you to support the channel by liking the videos, sharing the content, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Alrighty, quick stop to get some patties before we leave, because that's a staple. Alright guys, so yeah, do remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this community of Joy Seekers. If you're new, I am a Jamaican who returned home after living many years abroad, and I choose Jamaica as my final destination for home. And I live in the lovely parish of Hanover. So I share with you my life, how I embrace joy on a daily basis, and what's happening on the western end of the island, especially as I go out and discover parts of Jamaica and share with you what's happening in different areas. So join me, subscribe to the channel, and let's go on this journey together of seeking joy. I call you my joy seekers because that's what we do. We are intentionally seeking things out that gives us joy. All right, so hubby just popped into Juicy Beef to pick up some patties, and then we are going to be heading back home. So I will catch up with you later. This is a cream of coconut and pumpkin soup with roasted red beets with chives on top. Enjoy. Oh, what a sweet piece of rain out of nowhere. It's several days now into the vlog since I last talked to you when we were picking up the paint from downtown and the material to do. Sorry about that, I'm outside and you can hear the vehicles going by, but yeah, so it's December 1st, guys. It is the start of the Christmas holidays, right? So today we're gonna work on the last of the repairs that we are going to be doing ourselves from the hurricane damage, which is to repair our ceiling bed for our entertainment gazebo area. So we are up early, we have our supplies, and we are ready to work. And hubby has already started. So let me show you the areas that were damaged during the hurricane that needs repair. The water blew in. If you can look, you can see the ceiling bed, the creases. That's from the water that caused that break in the seal of the tape and the plaster that they put. So this is something that we can definitely do ourselves in terms of repairs. So we have the plaster, we have the taping, the paint, so we're just gonna reseal it, plaster it, smooth it out, sand it down, and paint it. The hurricane did a number on our fans as well. It broke the blades, so we'll have to take out those pieces and go and get the replacement blades for these fans. It left us one blade remained, so at least we'll take this one to the store so we can pick up the right blade samples and get the right blades. All right, so it's going to be a busy day today. It may take us a couple of days to finish this project because it's the entire perimeter of the gazebo under the eaves boards where the water chip away at the painting and plaster, and we're gonna be refinishing the entire section. So yeah, let me fix my flag. The wind always twists this flag up. All right, joy seekers, so this is how we're gonna start off today, and let's see how far we can get into these repair works that we have. Look at that. Yeah, let my flag fly high. One more spin, I think. Yeah, very good. All right, so let's get to work and I'll catch up with you later. Checking on the progress so far. This is what we've got going on. First coat, then we're gonna put on a second coat, fill it out, sand it down. Better replace that with plywood, not drywall, but that will work too. We'll just put on another layer and then we'll sand it down and paint it out. So this is where we're at so far into the day, about a couple of hours of work. We're gonna go around the entire parameter of the eaves board on the gazebo, and then we'll tackle the ceiling bed. All right, let's go for a walk in the garden. Let's see what's going on, what's springing up, and what's even starting to bloom. So let's see. All right. Oh, let's start with a soursop tree. All the brown leaves. You remember, guys, maybe a week or two ago, I took a walk in the garden and I was showing you how a lot of the brown, oh God, here goes those trucks again. A lot of the brown leaves were falling off and there were only a few of them remaining on a lot of the trees, right? Soursop tree, look at my girl. All green, lush, beautiful. You would not believe this thing, that only a month ago was bare from all the leaves being blown off. And look at the ackee tree again, only a few on this side, brown leaves remaining, but all the leaves have sprung on this side coming back. My mint tree, baby girl, is filling back out. Banana, young, these are young banana suckers that have sprung since we cut them down. We took out everything because they had fallen anyway, right? And look at that already. A little cocoa plant. And my cherry tree, yep, she has sprung all our leaves back. My mom even picked one cherry that was right here yesterday off the tree. So she's even bearing fruit already, right? Nature is amazing. Now look at the bougainvilleas. You would remember from my previous videos, these bougainvilleas were burnt. When I tell you burnt from the salt water, and look, what do you see? What do you see? Is this not a bloom? Huh? I'm even gonna have to prune this down a little bit, especially this bougainvillea. When I tell you the tree was burnt up, it was burned up, and already it is starting to spring anew and push out flowers. Same here on this one. Look at God. Look at God. Huh? Yeah. Things are going fine here too. Baby suckers. On this side we have both bananas and plantain. So it's a young plantain sucker. And look at my passion fruit tree. I need to get some sticks so it can run on. It grows as a vine, so it needs to go up. And back here, yeah, cane is coming along quite nicely. My ginger bush, it's coming back. Some new leaves there, but it's not fully there yet. That's a pink ginger, bird of paradise I have going on here. And this is a red ginger plant, same thing. I had to cut everything down, but some new leaves are coming back up. And the avocado tree, listen, I planted this pine, God knows how long. I mean, at least 2 years now, and it hasn't borne anything yet. I don't know what's going on. Apparently pine takes a long time to grow. I don't know, subscribers, you could tell me. Should my pine tree have borne fruit already? Planted it, yeah, about 2 or 3 years ago, and nothing yet. All right, so here's the avocado tree again. Most of the leaves have come back. There's a few little leaves with browning on them. Those will go. And then these are the baby papaya that we planted just a couple of weeks ago. It's another bird of paradise. My baby coconut plant coming up there. So all in all, I will say the garden is coming back and doing its thing, and I am so grateful. All right, joy seekers, this is where I am going to end today's vlog. I'll keep you posted on our progress on our repair efforts to get our gazebo ceiling bed and east board repaired from the hurricane. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, support the channel. Get us to 100 subscribers this week, and we'll move on and take it from there. And I will catch you later. Like, share, subscribe.